Hi everyone, Anat Kessler here, and today we're going to make a really easy and fun project. We're going to make an 8 pocket folder. Imagine that. From one piece of 12 by 12 paper, we'll make an insert, or even you can call it a mini album that has 8 pockets that you can insert journaling cards or photos. And we're going to start by scoring a 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock at 3¼ inch. And then we are going to fold it. This is going to be the start of our 8 pocket folder. Make your fold nice and crisp and strong. And then next, we're going to start folding our paper to create the pockets. So I'm going to go really slow so you can follow along. So bring the other side and fold it, aligning it with the score line that we just made. So it'd be able to close like this. Next step, we're going to open it and fold it in half on the other way. So the entire 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock is folded in half. Make sure to align your corners and all your sides and burnish your folds well. Next, we're going to align or put our little 3¼ fold to the top and continue to fold both of the edges towards the inside. So we're going to align the edge of the paper with the center fold line that we just did. So we're going to go on one side and then fold the other side towards the inside as well. So there's a little bit of folding here, but at the end you'll have a really cool insert that you can use for mini albums or as a brag book or on scrapbook pages. Next, we're going to face that little 3¼ fold towards the bottom and then score on 3¼ on each of the sides. So let's do the other side as well. Score at 3/4 of an inch. Oops, I almost scored it at 1/2 inch. That would mean I would have to start again. Lucky that I noticed. Okay, so we're going to fold on those score lines that we just made. The other side as well. Next step, we're going to fold the corners. So we're going to fold those little 3¼ tabs and then fold the corner until the first score line that we encounter. And we're going to do that on all 4 corners. This is really important to burnish all your folds very well so it will be straight. So you fold the corner while the 3¼ tab there is folded, and you meet the first score line like this. And then let's do the last corner. Of course, you can match the color of your paper to whatever project that you're making, whatever holiday that you want. Next, we're going to start creating our folder. So fold in the 2 sides towards the center like this. And I'm burnishing the folds really well because I want them to be straight and I don't want the folder to open. And then we're going to fold on that 3 1/4 line, but on the back side like this. So we're going to flip the entire folder and fold on the 3 1/4 line that we made, the score line that we made in the beginning. Now let's fold it in half like this. And once you have that folded, you want to insert the corners inside the little folded corners. They look like photo holders. So you insert it inside, and that is what will hold the folder. There is no glue here, people, no glue whatsoever. Those little tabs, the little corners, hold the entire thing. So once you insert that, you can fold it in half, and then to the other side, just to make it work easily. Then you can go ahead and discover all your 8 pockets. So just have a little paper here to show you have 1, 2 on the front, you have 2 on the side, both sides, that's 4. And then you have 2 on the top, that is 6. And then finally 2 more on the back. Isn't that a cool project? And you can make this insert as a brag book. You can make this insert for a mini album. You can make this insert to include in a scrapbook page. It can even be for gift cards, for money, for whatever comes to your head. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything, and you'll be able to make all these really great projects that we're making. And I hope you really like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.